Yeah. So so when we understand that shame and guilt is such a low frequency emotion, we can create nothing from shame and guilt, then why do we need shame and guilt? Why do you think we need shame and guilt? Today in the morning, Ruchi was asking, Didi, you are saying we should not have shame and guilt, but कोई कर लिया, काम कर लिया and everything, फिर भी क्या हम लोगों को थोड़ा गिल्ट और शेम नहीं होना चाहिए क्या? So there is something called healthy guilt, healthy shame, which happens only for a little while when you have made the mistake and you learn from the mistake fast and you move on. That's a healthy thing. Okay. But many times you will see we are not like that. Most of us, because हमारा बचपन का inner child trauma ऐसा है कि हमको इतना shame, guilt, छोटे छोटे चीजों में ये भी नहीं आता क्या, वो भी नहीं आता, ऐसे कर दिया वैसे कर दिया, and all the time and we were in fear of making mistakes, कुछ भी कर दिया अभी, हमको लगता है कि when we are growing up now, you will see many people, they are just addicted to the emotion of guilt and shame. They don't even know, many people don't even know that they are addicted to the emotion of guilt and shame. you know I'll give you an example. And because हम लोग को हर चीज में इतना, we were made to feel guilty and shame, that we think that, oh, it is natural ना, I should feel guilty, I should feel shameful about it, हाँ मैंने तो, तो shame का ही बात है. But no, these are childhood conditioning which make us. So I went to Coimbatore with my friend one day, and and she's not a meditator like me. I can meditate for hours if I choose to, and sit for hours, and she's not. Okay, it's her choice, and she's she wants to go to mandir, एक मंदिर से दूसरा मंदिर जाएगी, and so, but she's a very good friend of mine, so we decided to go together to Coimbatore, Isha. But when I went there first 2 days, we were jumping from one the Linga temple to Linga Bhairavi temple. And all we were jumping. बोले यहाँ करते हैं, वो दर्शन करते हैं, ये दर्शन करते हैं. And she was doing, and I was also going with her. And I just realized that my purpose of the reason why I wanted to come here was not happening. I was not being able to go into deep meditation. And I had to put my foot down and I had to tell her that, see, from tomorrow we will go separate ways. We will meet in the evening. And this, we were there for 4.5 days. 2 days went by like this because I wanted to make sure that, she doesn't feel uncomfortable. Suddenly I will leave her and everything. But after 2 days, I felt no, this is what I want. This is my heart's desire. What is the heart's desire? It's not to drink alcohol. It's not to have fun and party somewhere. I just want to sit. But when I told her, I was like, my tummy was like, it was like it was creating a knot in my tummy, and I was feeling so guilt. I was feeling, oh, why did I do it? I hurt her and this and that, and I was feeling so shame along with it. And I was thinking, what did I ask for that I have to? Then I realized it is a childhood conditioning. Long back, I think this happened. I think last year I went with her. बट दिस मेड मी रियलाइज इट्स अ चाइल्डहुड कंडीशनिंग. कुछ भी चीज मैंने अपने लिए मांगा है और किसी को हर्ट कर दिया है, हमको मुझे लगा कि मैंने किसी को हर्ट कर दिया है. And and I wanted to do something else, and I was like, for the whole day, even I was meditating, I was not being, that first day I was not being able to feel peace, that I thought, I have hurt her. I've hurt her. In the evening, when I met her, she said, "Oh, I had a great time. मैं यहाँ गई, वहाँ गई, ये देखी, वो देखी, and मैंने अपने आप में बहुत अच्छा time बिताया and everything." I said, "Oh, good." I was just thinking, like, see, this is how, without even knowing, we create this emotion on shame and guilt. And imagine the kind of frequency we're bringing ourselves into. So low shame and frequency. Okay, this is one. So be very aware, friends. Especially parents. Some are, and the for us, people who are born. Most of us are born from 80 to 80, 1980 to 1990. This is the time when we are born. Most of us. यहाँ पे except Ria, I think. So this was a time when everything was, the parents, the way of teaching, everything was strict and critical. Even the teachers were strict and critical. The parents were extremely strict and critical. Oh my God, I cannot tell you. Like, my parents and my mother and father, they love me so much, but their way of showing love is only criticize, you know. And because now I have done my inner child healing, and I have accepted, tried to, through my healing, understanding that I can never, no matter what they do, I have to accept them completely in my heart, no matter what, and I have to say, okay, this is what I have designed my life to have, this parent, so that I have my own learning. So I cannot say, why did I have this set of parents and everything, and I choose them completely in my heart. But at the same time, we also know that I have also, many of my you have reached out to me. I have done therapies, and I have, during therapies also, I found out we have all been nurtured by very, very critical parents, very critical parents. So imagine the kind of shame and guilt we naturally have in our body. So we have to be aware of it. Okay, it's not normal. It's not normal to have shame and guilt. It is a conditioning that we had created because of the childhood trauma. Okay, this will also help us to be aware, and the more we are aware, we will be able to come out of it. Second, also, there are times when, many times when anything is happening, in spirituality, there is no emotion which we say bad emotion. No emotion, even jealousy, even anger, even hatred, is not a bad emotion. Hmm? Spiritual science don't call these emotions as bad emotions. They might be, negative emotions, but no, 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 we should not feel this. It is actually, if you really meet a real spiritual scientists, they will never call anything as, wrong. Okay. So the same is with shame and guilt. Every emotion, has a, when you will go down, deep down, you will see that every emotion has the a need behind it. Why are you feeling this? You will see there is a need behind it. hmm? So पहले क्या फील कर रहे हो उसको फील करो, फिर अगर अपना क्वेश्चन आप पूछोगे ना, what is the need for me to have this emotion? So you will see anger, anger, you know so anger, बहुतों का dominant state है anger. And many people say anger, it's not good and everything, but like for me, my family also, my grandmother was also very, very strict, though she was into social work and everything, but she was also an angry lady. So I also developed a little bit of anger from her, which has gone down a lot now. But again, when I was doing my therapy to understand where my anger comes from. Okay, see, this is how we don't judge. And I used to feel guilty. Okay, I'm spiritual, why am I not being able to bring down my anger or something like that? But when that's what I'm saying. Every emotion has a reason. You have to figure out that emotion, friends. It will naturally go down if you can figure out. You don't need to tell yourself, oh, you are so bad. You don't need to feel guilty or shame about, hey, itna spiritual hogi ho, ye to kam nahi. And also, anger is so good. Anger say up, there are so many. I like, for me, one day I was just thinking that in many cases, especially for my students, कभी कभी मीठा बात काम ही नहीं करता है, बोलती हूँ कभी कभी घुसता ही नहीं है दिमाग में. तो then I many times I've realized कि मैंने जब थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्टली बात किया है, वो जाके काम में आया है. Okay, so anger is also there. Even in Buddhism, we used to learn that there are two kinds of anger: healthy anger, unhealthy anger. If you can channelize anger into healthy, it can really, bolte कि anger is an energy where you can use for justice. You can fight for others, right? Sometimes when कुछ हो रहा है, अगर आप बोलते हो नहीं, 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 मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, आपके आसपास में कोई किसी को मार रहा है, एवरीथिंग, एंड आप बोल रहे हो नहीं, 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 मुझे इन सबसे नहीं लेना है, मैं शांति में रहना चाहती हूँ. But you will have the energy to speak up and fight when you have that kind of energy and anger. So nothing is good and bad. That's what I'm saying. Don't feel shame about, oh, I have anger. So I'll tell you my story. I'll tell you my small, 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 small stories of how I work on myself, how I have worked on myself since so many years. I cannot share in with the whole my story, but everything is like a beautiful learning. So when I wanted to see why do I used to get like angry, and I used to then feel bad कि मुझे क्यों गुस्सा आ रहा है and everything. And When I went into deep meditation, there also I realized that there were many needs of mine which were not met. Anger means you are you are in pain. Something you want but you're not getting. That's why it comes out in the form of anger. Hmm? Sometimes anger means fear. When I went into past life, I saw that in many cases, friends, we also have births of animals, if you know, and you can, if you go deep, you can also see your animal births. I've seen an animal birth of mine where I was a snake, and people were attacking my eggs, and I was about to, I was putting up my this what is that, fangs, and then in that life, when I went into that past life, I realized these fangs that snake show, they don't show out of anger. In reality, they are out of fear. So deep down, sometimes anger is just a mask. Deep down, you are fearful, you don't feel safe. So whenever you will not feel safe, sometimes you will show it in the form of anger. So did you see, when you analyze yourself, you will never feel shame and guilt about whatever you are doing. You will, that's why I say that, my cousin today morning also I shared. My cousin, she called up one day, and I told you that she's so sincere. Whatever she has, she'll call up and she, this is what I'm feeling. I'm not being able to manage and whatever. So she called me and she said that, I'm trying, I'm becoming more peaceful and everything, but just before period, I don't know why I get very angry, and that I cannot control. This is the area I'm not being able to control, she said. And I said, it's very good. It's very good. Because period is a beautiful way of showing you where you need to heal. अगर वो इमोशन निकलेगा ही नहीं तो आपको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा ना कि आपको कहाँ पे हील करना है. So instead of, hey, I'm so bad, I'm trying to work on my spirituality, still I'm getting my anger. So bad, so bad. She was doing this. And I said, no. Try to see what is the need. Why did you get that anger? Especially before period, these irritations, they are such a beautiful help for women. Men के पास वो opportunity है ही नहीं. विमेन हम हमेशा पीरियड को ना नेगेटिवली देखते हैं कि अरे देखो आदमी को कितना मजा है, विमेन का कितना, एक हफ्ता इतना पेन में जाता है, इमोशनल, हम क्रैंकी हो जाते हैं, ये होते हैं, दर्द में जाते हैं. But that is a beautiful time of transformation for women, because that is the time when we can observe. If we are spiritual, we can observe. बहुत ज्यादा मैग्नीफाई हो जाते हैं कुछ कुछ इमोशंस उस टाइम में. That means at that time, that is the emotion that I need to work on. Why am I being shown this emotion during this period time? You should ask yourself with curiosity instead of being shameful. Okay, if this is what I'm feeling. Hmm? Sometimes what happens that we are trying to change ourselves a lot. Okay, so yeah, this is what I said, the snake. So for me, this, my fear, my anger, a lot of my anger was coming from that past lives, that I realized that, okay, this anger has come from that past life where the whenever I don't feel safe, I'll create a fang. Okay, and that's when the moment I realized, I started working on it. Okay, so अगर नहीं रियलाइज करोगे तो आपको, आप अपने आप को बीट करते रहोगे. So there are also cases, when I was doing, I do therapy. One woman came to me and she said that, Didi, I'm so bad. People, I cannot study properly. I'm failing in exams. I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and I'm not being able to study properly. And then I curse myself, why am I not studying properly? And this and that. And this is what she was telling me. And so this is what we do every day this, right? मैं क्यों नहीं चेंज हो पा रही हूँ, मैं इतनी बुरी हूँ, मैं क्या इतना भी नहीं कर सकती क्या, and all these things. Yeah. So but in reality, what happens is that, friends, okay, why did you, so again, when we went into therapy, we both, I was there, so we both realized that she was having an affair with somebody in her teens, and at that time she got a little deviated. and she still holds the guilt that because of that love affair, she was not being able to contribute so much for her studies. And that's why now she is punishing herself for that. That oh, तुम इतनी बुरी हो, तुम लव अफेयर में चली गई, तुम गंदी औरत हो, तुमको पढ़ाई करना था, तुमने ये किया, तो तुमको अभी पनिशमेंट है, तुम अभी भी. एंड शी वाज एंड मोर देन दैट, शी वाज फीलिंग गिल्टी बिकॉज तब के टाइम में she was not being able to study properly deep. Because of that, that's why now she is like this, and she was punishing herself even more that you deserve this. So when she was able to forgive herself, because she was not being able to forgive, sometimes when we, that's what I'm saying, shame and guilt also invites a lot of punishment. Guilt means तुमने कुछ बुरा किया है, और अभी तो पेरेंट्स नहीं है, बचपन में पेरेंट्स पनिश करते थे, लेकिन अभी पेरेंट्स नहीं है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, सबकॉन्शियसली अगर शेम एंड गिल्ट फील करते हैं तो हम खुद को पनिश कर देते हैं किसी ना किसी तरीके से. So because she was feeling that, she created that punishment for her, where she made sure that she doesn't study, she makes again those mistakes, and she punishes herself. When she was, she was told that you can forgive that, that was for younger self, बच्ची थी तुम ये सब कर ही सकती हो, नेचुरल है, इस एज में प्यार में पड़ती है, तो you can forgive yourself. When she was able to forgive yourself, she could accept the present self. And when she could present her accept her present self, she was able to love, and she was able to concentrate and go back to her studies with lots of peace. Okay. अगर नहीं है तो देख क्या होगा, तुम बुरी हो, तुम पढ़ाई में अच्छी नहीं हो, तुम ये हो, तुम वो हो, तुम इतना भी नहीं पढ़ सकती, क्या बाकी लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, तुम इतना भी पढ़ी, शी वाज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू स्टडी एट ऑल. उससे भी शेम आता है ना कि तुम पढ़ नहीं रही हो, तुम्हारा तो तुमको शर्म आना चाहिए, तुम पढ़ नहीं रही हो. तो शी वाज शेमिंग एंड गिल्टिंग हरसेल्फ जस्ट इन अ गिल्ट ट्रिप. ओके. So this is what I'm saying, friends. This is what we do. I will tell you my example. Jealousy. Okay. So I very rarely have experienced this emotion. So मेरे साथ जब बहुत पहले एक बार हुआ था, when and I was like, suddenly, a few days, not even weeks, for few days I suddenly started feeling very jealous of everything, everybody. And I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, मैं क्यों ऐसा फील कर रही हूँ. एंड आई वाज लाइक, पहले तो रेस्टलेस रेस्टलेस फील करना, गिल्ट शेम में ट्रिप में जाना, नेचुरल है ना गिल्ट शेम ट्रिप में जाना है, क्योंकि ये नेचुरल टेंडेंसी है हम लोग का. हम वी डोंट गेट इनटू क्यूरियोसिटी मोड, वी गेट इनटू गिल्ट एंड शेम एंड गिल्ट ट्रिप्स. So then I just stopped myself that no, I don't want to do this. I just want to know why I am feeling this. I need to know what is the under the mask emotion or need that is asking for this kind of emotion. What is my need behind feeling this emotion? And when I went into deep meditation, there is something called family constellation, जहाँ पे हम अपने ancestral का भी pain, karma, उनका अगर दर्द हम नहीं समझते हैं तो उनका दर्द नहीं समझते, तब हम वो सफर करने लगते हैं. कभी कभी उनका दर्द मैंने समझा ही नहीं, and all these things, many things. Family constellation is a big science. सो एंड दैट्स वाई हम लोग पितृ दोष करते हैं ना दुर्गा पूजा के पहले. क्यों करते हैं? बिकॉज इवन सदगुरु वाज सेइंग, एंड दुर्गा पूजा के पहले हम सब लोग करते हैं, क्योंकि एंसेस्ट्रल लाइन से बहुत कुछ हमारे साथ आता है, बहुत कुछ हमारा नहीं है, वो भी आ जाता है ब्लड के थ्रू. ओके. सो या फिर एनर्जेटिकली, ब्लड ही नहीं, सिर्फ एनर्जेटिकली भी आ सकता है, बिकॉज उसी फैमिली लाइन में हम लोग हैं, उनका दर्द पेन, हम सब लॉयल है, इतने प्यार करते हैं, झगड़ा भी है लेकिन लॉयल है, बहुत कुछ, देर इज सो मच इन टू इट दैट विल गेट एंटेंगल्ड. देर इज, it's a big science, but I'll just tell you my story. Is that when I went deep, my family is like, if you, most of you know, but I'll just share. It is a joint family. My family before I got married is a joint family. My father has three brothers and three sisters, and there is one other brother who was adopted. Same ताऊ का लड़का, means मेरे पापा का ताऊ का लड़का था, फैमिली में ही था, but his mother died, so my grandmother adopted him. So throughout out their life, Though they were adopted, they were not fully accepted in the family. I could see that. Hmm? क्योंकि others were flourishing. My father went to bank. My one tao was a doctor, and my another chacha, he took over the family business of watch and everything. And this tao, though he's the eldest in age of all of us, all of my uncles, he used to work like a karmachari in the shop in our business. And my tai was, though she was the eldest, we would always say boroma boroma. And for me, there was a discrimination in my grandmother. That's why he was not given that kind of priority. We easily understood that later. But for me, she was very very special because she loved me very much and everything. And like, so when I went deep into meditation to understand my jealousy, it showed me my thigh, and it showed me my thighs pain कि जहाँ पे आप eldest हो, हाँ, बट आप ग्रो नहीं कर सकते. ओके, बाकी सब लोग ग्रो कर रहे हैं लेकिन आप ग्रो नहीं कर सकते हो. सो उनका पेन मैंने उस दिन समझा. एंड द मोमेंट आई वॉज एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, देर इज अ वे ऑफ एक्सेप्टिंग. आई सेड आई एक्नॉलेज योर पेन, आई कैन सी हाउ पेनफुल इट वॉज फॉर यू. कि सब आपको बड़ा समझते हैं घर में, लेकिन आपका फाइनेंशियली भी आप लोग स्ट्रांग नहीं हो, कुछ नहीं हो घर पे, लाइक सिर्फ काम वाले जैसे काम करते रहते हो. एंड आई कैन सी योर पेन. The day when I saw, I acknowledged her pain. At the same time, I also said that I choose to live differently. I don't want to live a life like you. I understand, maybe out of loyalty, I took that pain of yours, of little bit jealousy हो रहा था ना उनको भी, वो मैं feel की. And the moment I felt and acknowledged, the jealousy was completely gone from my life. Okay. So this is how, so अगर ये स्पिरिचुअल हो, जेलस होने का तो हक ही नहीं है. कैसे हो सकते हो? तो फिर क्या क्या फर्क पड़ता है? इतना ध्यान कर रहे हो, क्या क्या जरूरत है इतना ध्यान करने का, अगर ऐसा ही फील करते हो तो. नो फ्रेंड्स. ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी वी फॉलो साइंस, वी डोंट फॉलो मम्बो जम्बो. वी हैव टू आस्क आवरसेल्व्स, okay, why am I going through this, what is the need. Even बोलते हैं कि guilt and shame, today I was saying, sorry, victim, you know victim बहुत लोगों का ना, स्पेशली women का एक आदत है, एक नॉर्मल टेंडेंसी है. मेन क्या है, मेन विक्टिम से भी ज्यादा क्या करे, वो सोच ही नहीं सकता है विक्टिम है, उसको एक्शन लेना है. इसीलिए एक तरीके से मेन अच्छा है बहुत तरीकों से. विमेन का ना एक टेंडेंसी, अगर वो स्पेशली, ज्यादातर विमेन ही वुंडेड फेमिनिन्स है ना, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा पास्ट 100-200 years में कितने सारा डोमिनेशन हुआ एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई स्पोक अबाउट इट टू days back. Even men will also have, but women I've seen, most women I've seen that they go into na that victim trip, and they will, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है and everything. And they enjoy, I've seen many that they enjoy telling this over and over. Hmm? And do you know, there is also, why are you not? If I tell you that, see, victim emotion is not a good, it's a frequency, very low frequency. The lowest of the frequency is victim frequency. If you are staying victim frequency, कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, तब आप कभी ऊपर नहीं जा सकते हो. ओके, क्योंकि ये ना आपको लो ही कर देगा, नीचे ही लेके आएगा. ओके, बट हम क्यों करते हैं, इसमें भी रीजन है. वी हैव अ नीड टू गेट इनटू, उसका क्या होता है, बोलते हैं कि नीड टू फील, गेट अटेंशन. आप अगर विक्टिम होते हो, देखा आपने, विक्टिम का बहुत, ऐसे रहोगे ना, कोई आके पूछेगा कि क्या हुआ है तुम्हारे साथ. या फिर तुम अगर किसी को बोलोगी मेरी सास कितनी बुरी है, मुझे बहुत परेशान करती है, ओके, तो कोई तो आपको बोलेगा, आह अरे तुम्हारा जीवन कितना बुरा है. एंड समटाइम्स वी एंजॉय दिस अटेंशन. दिस इज द बेसिक नीड with many people who do not want to let go of the victim emotion. Yeah, how funny it is, isn't it? हमको लगता है, that's why we should play with this spirituality. There is so much to learn, so much to learn. Okay, I'll share another story. Huh? The story is that it's a recent experience of mine. Huh? Ke I went to, Sadhguru, to volunteer for the Mahashivratri, and there was I was given the duty of selling tickets, and my tickets were the lowest of the tickets, and free टिकट भी दे रहे थे बिकॉज इससे तो सबका फोन नंबर आएगा तो फ्री टिकट भी दो हमें बोला गया तो ठीक है and on lowest of the tickets it was my counter and that counter was a little costly ticket counter so मेरे पास आए तो many men were there were many men who were not like labor and all these things and for some reason I don't have I actually encourage everybody ki everybody is equal just don't think so and the way I also treat my maid and my security guards I just treat them as like a normal human being and everything but I don't know why that day I was feeling very uncomfortable with the crowd. Okay. एंड और क्या हो रहा है कि बिकॉज दीज पीपल आर नॉट दैट एडुकेटेड दे डोंट नो हाउ टू स्टैंड वो पीछे से आके मुझे ऐसे कवर कर रहे हैं नॉर्मली यू हैव टू बी स्टैंड यहाँ पे आपका टेबल है आपको बाहर से आपको लेना है बट उनको तो ये समझ में नहीं इधर से आ रहे हो इधर से मैंने बोला ये वाला जगह वॉलंटियर्स का है प्लीज आगे जाइए तो मैं बार बार उनको मैं भेज रही थी कि लाइन पे रहिए एंड इट वाज क्वाइट अ हेक्टिक डे फॉर अस ओके एंड देन वो सब तो ठीक है एवरीथिंग एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड इज नाइट हुआ एंड द टिकट्स वर सोल्ड एंड वहां से मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं ऐसे क्यों बात कर रही हूँ मैं उनको क्यों हटा रही हूँ थोड़ा हल्का हल्का वो गिल्ट एंड शेम आ रहा है मुझे मैं बोल रही हूँ मुझे उनको क्यों मुझे व्हाई एम आई नॉट फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल अराउंड दीज मैन मुझे लग रहा है मैं उनको पुश क्यों कर रही हूँ थोड़ा इधर जाइए एंड उसमें ही थोड़ा हल्का सा शेम एंड गिल्ट आ रहा था नहीं वो भी तो भगवान है बिकॉज वी ऑल बिलीव आई बिलीव इन गॉड्स इन एवरीबडी सो आई कीप talking also in my heart if anything is right how can I correct it not feeling shame and guilt but just correct but that day I was feeling also a little bit of shame and guilt and little bit of all these things so then what happened is uh, रात हुआ एंड देन दीज पीपल दे एक्चुअली मोबाइल का चार्ज खत्म हो गया एंड दे वेर कमिंग एंड आस्किंग फॉर कैन वी डू सम चार्ज इन योर टेंट बिकॉज देर वेर सम normal switchboards put there and normally it's not allowed okay it's not allowed but for some reason the next tent they have allowed and in my tent also I allowed a man I allowed I sure he was asking so much घर कैसे जाएंगे मैडम and all these things I said okay आप सिर्फ 10 मिनट उससे ज्यादा नहीं दे सकते because allowed नहीं है यहाँ पे तो just 10 minutes and when I go into meditation I can go into deep meditation I was 10 minutes की जगह half an hour 45 minutes हो गया मैं इतनी deep meditation में थी अचानक से मैं घूम के देखी and I was extremely scared of lots of men around me, all sitting and all charging their mobiles around us. Okay, and we had two people around, but एक man था जो पूरा सो रहा था और it was a little isolated place. It's not the crowd. हम लोग isolated place. अभी रात हो गया है शिवरात्रि का सब कुछ चल रहा है on the screen and everything and this is what happened and suddenly I just stood up and I said what's happening मैंने सिर्फ एक आदमी को दिया इतने लोग क्यों हैं आप लोग हट जाइए यहाँ से प्लीज हट जाइए एंड आई मूव देम अवे ओके एंड आई सेड नो बोले उस टेंट में ऐसे उस टेंट में कीजिए यहाँ पे हम लोग औरतें हैं एक आदमी सोया हुआ है हम लोग प्लीज आप वहां पे बहुत सारे आदमी हैं उस टेंट में जाके कीजिए लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते but after saying this just by saying this I was feeling extreme shame and guilt for 2 days I was in guilt trip for 2 days saying that ये तो बेचारे लोग थे इनको मुझे देना चाहिए था चार्ज मैंने क्यों नहीं दिया what is the reason behind मैं then I said was this arrogance that I was behaving out of arrogance because I question I can be strict but I also question myself is this strictness coming out of love or out of arrogance so I was asking is this did this come from arrogance did I become arrogant and all these things was happening and 2 days back as I said that I cannot do my own therapies but I regularly keep taking my I have a very good mentor friend you can say and she guides me and then I can go into deep therapy so once a month I do my therapies with her. So I told her that this is what I was experiencing, and I felt, I think I have arrogance, but I don't know. Let's just check कहाँ से आ रहा है ये emotion मेरा. मैं डर क्यों रही थी इतने आदमियों से. Okay. So when I checked, so I was feeling shame and guilt for a while. Okay. But I tried to check. I tried to become curious कि ये क्यों आ रहा है. कि क्यों मैंने ऐसे behave किया. And it came out for two reasons. One is I'm from Assam. I'm a girl from Assam. Okay, now women, but I brought up there. I was brought up there, and Assam में Durga Puja के time में ना, when there is this Bhashan time, if you know Bhashan, Ramya, it's Visarjan. Do you know Visarjan? The Durgas are put in water. Okay, so in Bengalis we do it after celebrating the Durga Puja. Then we put the Durga in water, and it's a big, like it's like a procession happens in our town. One after another, Durga idols will go through one area, and then they are going to the Brahmaputra for for Visarjan. And in that place, it was such a crowded place. It was extremely scary because men would sexually assault you in different ways. Even in the crowd, they can pinch you, they can do it, so many things, and you are always very scared of it. So that fear, I realized through that fear was coming up, and that's why I was scared of men around me very close. I didn't want to be around me because I had that fear कि इतना भीड़ है, शिवरात्रि है ना, तो भीड़ है, तो it's not safe. Then again, when I went deep, I went into a past life. And that's when I realized that I was a head of a clan, and in that clan, I was killed. The whole of our clan was killed by another bigger clan, and it created a lot of unsafeness and fear of people around me. I would fear because you cannot trust anybody after somebody, and I was brutally killed. I could see my past life. I was brutally killed in that life. Somebody pierced something here. It was extremely painful, a lot of fear. And then I realized that a lot of when we don't feel safe, sometimes we take some strong actions, or our voice sometimes changes. So that's what was happening there, because I was not feeling safe in that men zone. My voice and my strictness came out. Okay. So this is how, friends, that's what I'm saying, that this is how every emotion has a connection, has a need. So it's so important, friends, because shame and guilt is not a good emotion. It will take you very deep and low. कुछ नहीं change कर पाओगे life में. इसीलिए हमेशा, instead of any emotion that you're going, the worst, anger, hatred, jealousy, resentment towards anybody, don't judge yourself. Don't get into the guilt and shame trip. Ask, instead of judging, and ask, become curious. Why am I experiencing this? What is the reason behind me? What is the need for having this emotion? Okay. Does anybody has any question? I want some interactions. That's when I will also find some joy in sharing my class. I know that you guys like it, but I also like it when I hear from you. Okay? Any questions? Okay.
Can you hear me, Didi?
Yeah. Who is it? Yes, Tanmay.
I think more or less it's happening every now and then with me and around the people around me. But personally to me, but I didn't think like this before, that how we can face this and how we can acknowledge guilt and shame, to know why I feel it or why it's happened to me, and maybe I allowing this, so this going to be happen again and again. But from today, it will really help me um, to find out the reason why, and will not allow again the same thing. Then this is the way I think I can overcome this in my
Absolutely.
life.
And also be kind to yourself. Today
Yeah.
morning also, I told my students in the morning that, see, I'm strict to you because I want you to see where you are going wrong. At the same time, deep down, I'm very aware that ये time लग सकता है change होने में. You know,
Mm,
there are so many variety of you, right? Somebody is a miser, somebody it's a natural. हम सब में कितना कुछ है, right? But you have to ask instead of being shameful and guilt about why are you a miser. Ask कि क्या हुआ था मेरे साथ, मैं ऐसी क्यों बन गई हूँ.
mm,
Okay. So, so that's why there is nothing. There is no judgment. Even when I'm strict, don't feel that I'm judging you. I'm telling you where you need to change. But at the same time, I'm very aware that कुछ तो है जिसकी वजह से तुम अपने आप को change नहीं कर पा रही हो. Some people you will see too much into Facebook. आपने देखा है कि बहुत ज्यादा फेसबुक करते रहते हैं. And
mm,
too much into Insta. And one is, yes, we do it, we do it because you want to grow your, maybe you want to grow your business, you want to grow something, and you want to grow your brand because this is how you want to grow. That's it, one thing. But sometimes you will see, instead of, हमारा क्या होता है, अरे कुछ करने को नहीं है तो फेसबुक में. बट नहीं, डीप डाउन कोई नीड है उसका जो फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, मे बी प्यार नहीं मिला है, वैलिडेशन नहीं मिला है, तो क्या करते हैं, फेसबुक से वैलिडेशन मांगते हैं.
mm,
ओके. क्योंकि बचपन में, देन व्हाई आर यू डू, आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाई एम आई डूइंग. इफ यू थिंक दैट यस आई नीड टू डू इट टू ग्रो माय स्पिरिचुअल ग्रुप बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग इट नाउ डेज, आई कॉन्शियसली डू इट बिकॉज आई वांट टू ग्रो. आई यू नीड, इफ यू, समटाइम्स वी थिंक दैट ओ स्पिरिचुअल मींस यू शुड नॉट. नहीं, तो लो रीच आउट, क्या लोगों को पता कैसे चलेगा आप लोग क्या, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, कितना मिराकुलस ग्रुप है यहाँ पे, कितना देखो कितना
mm,
हम लोग छोटे हैं. But everybody shares miraculous experiences. Morning का experience कल, tomorrow morning everybody should, evening please join in time. Tomorrow Nipa is going to share her experience. Okay? कितने miraculous experiences हो रहे हैं? Why should we confine it to only this group? Why not everybody get the benefit of it? Then you have to reach out through Facebook, Insta, through many other ways. Okay, so asking. But if you're not, then then you will see that, why am I doing it, you will see that maybe I'm doing it because I never got validation, I never got love. Facebook and Insta is the way I get love from everybody. So see the pain of that lady. you know कभी कभी you feel you are not very educated. हाँ, तो nobody, आपको भाव किसी ने नहीं दिया, आपको फेसबुक तो भाव दे रहा है, राइट, वो भी होता है कभी कभी. इंस्टा तो दे रहा है भाव आपको, राइट. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ जजिंग, व्हाई टू जज, अंडरस्टैंड देयर पेन, राइट. एंड व्हाई एम आई डूइंग इट, अगर आप, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर इवन हियर ऑल्सो, अगर हम कर रहे हैं तो आप पूछो कि क्यों कर रहे हैं. रखो, जो भी करना है करो, लेकिन फिर उसको अपने आप मिटाओ. उसको वैलिडेशन चाहिए, देन आपको इनर चाइल्ड को वैलिड, आप फेसबुक लगा लगा के वैलिडेशन नहीं. आप कभी जीवन में, आप जितना भी फेसबुक लगा दो, इंस्टा लगा दो, आपका वैलिडेशन जाएगा ही नहीं जब तक आप खुद को ना वैलिड करना सीख लो. When you tell yourself you are awesome, you are great, you are
Didi,
loving. Yes.
uh, Didi, I was listening what also Tanmada said.
Hmm.
Uh, Sometimes we have shame and guilt, but the way I personally embrace it, I take it like, okay, we have some problem. Maybe everybody have some problem. Nobody
Hmm.
is beyond some problem or limitations. So
Hmm.
if there is anything wrong with me, it's also fine. I'm also created by the Supreme. So he created me like this. So it's also fine.
Absolutely.
Maybe I'm not the
Yeah.
best in that, but I also have to be right to love myself, right? The way I am.
Yes. Yes,
So
absolutely.
so
Very correct.
so people are actually judging each other, but is it actually doesn't affect me anymore. I really give like 0% thought on what people are thinking, because at the end of the day it matters what I think of myself, not what
Hmm.
everybody else.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's so important that, it's a very important point कि आपको अगर भगवान ने बनाया है, आप, is there any way you can be short of God? You are made from God. Actually, you are God. बोलते कि गॉड एक्चुअली डिड नॉट गिव बर्थ, देर इज दिस, हमको कभी कभी देर इज दिस, बोलते हैं, कहावत है कि हम भगवान के बच्चे हैं, बट इन रियलिटी गॉड क्रिएटेड हिमसेल्फ. इट्स नॉट दैट ही क्रिएटेड, हु ही क्रिएटेड यू, ही क्रिएटेड हिमसेल्फ थ्रू यू. इट्स अ डिफरेंट. उसने आपको जन्म नहीं दिया है, उसने अपने आप को बनाया है आपके थ्रू. तो आप भगवान ही हो. तो भगवान, भगवान जब हो, तो आप कभी भी भगवान से कुछ भी कम हो सकते हो क्या? ओके. तो उसको उसको देखना है, बाकी चीज आएगा जाएगा, लेकिन आपको खुद को समझना है, खुद से प्यार करना है. ओके. Okay, friends, so that's what I'm saying, that be very, 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 like, so be gentle with yourself, be gentle with everybody around. Okay.
And Didi, one thing I want to add is just accepting ourselves as we are. we,
Absolutely.
we we of course we have to try to change to be better version of
Hmm.
ourselves,
No, and
but
also you cannot change yourself till the time you accept even that part.
yeah,
ये मैंने
yeah.
मैंने बहुत, my students from the past classes, they know. I've taught them this, that you will not be even able to change that nature of yours which you hate till you accept that nature also. That I also accept you. I accept you, your part. I also love you. I give, because वो भी कुछ रीजन से वो है ना तुम्हारे जीवन में, वो भी कोई नीड है ना, वो दिखाएगा तुमको. वो बेकार नहीं है. कभी कभी सेफ फील करना कराने के लिए भी कोई चीज जा नहीं रहा है. आप सोच रहे हैं जा क्यों नहीं रहा है, मैं जा इसको भेजने का कोशिश कर रही हूँ, लेकिन वो सोच रहे हैं कि नहीं, ये थ्रू दिस यू उसको पता है कि ये इसके थ्रू यू आर फीलिंग सेफ. वो डीप डाउन उसको पता है कि इसके थ्रू यू आर फील दैट इज ऑल्सो फीलिंग सेफ, यू आर फील ऑल्सो फीलिंग सेफ. Till the time, then one day you realize that I have to give safety, and you'll see suddenly that nature, that behavior or something goes away, because you are accepting that nature and behavior instead of rejecting and hating it. Okay.
Didi, I'd
Yeah.
like to share something, 30 seconds, not more.
Hmm.
Me and my wife, we always talk about like kids upbringing,
Okay.
and and in recent days I think every family has the same conversation topic everywhere, like our kid, how can we improve in this, in that, and she
Hmm.
needs to grow in this and that, you know.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
we talk about many things, many qualities that we admire, we want
Hmm.
her to have. But then my wife is like little bit conscious about it. She
Hmm.
says, oh, we need to do this for her so she can be good. And sometimes she also say why she doesn't do like this. I said, listen, you don't have this quality, right? She says yes. I said, I also don't have it. So naturally our kid will not naturally have this quality because both of us don't have it. Okay, first of all, accept it. Second, I say it's okay if we don't have it. People who want to be a scientist in the future, they don't need to know English grammar, right? And people who gonna be doctor, he doesn't need to know English
Absolutely.
either or something else. I don't know in 20 years time what she will become, what she will turn into. So why you focus too much on every single details
Hmm.
rather
Very
than
correct.
we
Hmm.
can we can we can give her a correct environment and let's see what she will
Absolutely.
grow into, you know.
So for this, I want to say that, the two things. One is you have to change. If you want your child to change, there is no other option but you have to continuously keep changing. Okay? There is no other way to change the child. There is no other way. A deep down spiritual transformation, if you want for your child, you cannot change your child by forcing them. They will learn through examples, they will learn through your transformation, you know. So, like, I'll give you examples of when we are, we women, we are sometimes cranky during periods. Okay. That also, when we know, when we are learning not to blame that, कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम उस टाइम में बहुत cranky हो जाते हैं, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं बच्चे को. उस टाइम में भी we have to, even if you have done, first of all, no shame and guilt behind. कोई छुपाना नहीं है, periods है, ये है, According to spiritual science, the more you hide all these things, the more you hide sex, the more you hide periods, the more the child will feel it's, sensuality is a very, very beautiful thing. वर्ल्ड में बिकॉज ऑफ पॉर्न सेंसुअलिटी को गंदा दिखा रहा है. Sensuality is such a beautiful thing. Period is such a beautiful thing. You know, because of that we are feminine. Because of that we are giving birth to child. Hmm? So, like when we are cranky, I was also listening to Marissa Peer one day, and I realized that I do it. She was explaining के कभी कभी हम बच्चे के साथ ड्यूरिंग पीरियड्स वी आर क्रैंकी विद आवर पार्टनर्स, और बच्चा पार्टनर तो समझ जाएगा बच्चा को, व्हेन वी आर समटाइम्स टेलिंग देम, और can't you do this or something like that. you know you should acknowledge and say sorry to the child, telling the child that I'm sorry, I am having my periods, my emotions are not in place, it is not your fault, मेरे emotions ठीक नहीं है. That way the child, so today we are talking about shame and guilt, that way the child will not feel shame and guilt. Sometimes, I don't do it often, but sometimes I get a little critical with Ridan, and one day I said, Ridan, did you see sometime I become like Dimma? Dimma is very critical, na? Mama also sometimes becomes like Dimma, yeah? So don't take it to your heart, okay? It is Mama's fault, it is not your fault. You are just perfect. So this is how, when we are acknowledging our mistakes and not putting, हमारा क्या काम होता है, हम कुछ भी करते हैं, बच्चे को गाली भी दे रहे हैं और कभी बोलते भी नहीं है कि दोष तेरा नहीं है बेटा, मैं थोड़ी इरिटेटेड थी इसलिए हो गई. राइट. यस तन्मय.
Sorry, the conversation is going to be
No, that's fine. Today
long,
I
but
asked for conversation, so I was
I think
expecting so.
it's very positive to share our experience actually. I think it's absolutely true that the karma, what as a parents, what we are doing, its impact on our child, our children, whatever. Because I really experienced some beautiful things on Rai, even though I don't guide her what she has to do in some specific area, but I suddenly I observe some very positive changes on her. What sometimes I just wondering how the change came to her, because
Yeah,
I didn't do anything to her.
yeah,
So
you just
especially
change
in
and
last
you
couple of
see the
months.
shift in the kids. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, you will
so,
see.
I didn't share with
Yeah.
Meenakshi especially last couple of months, something wondering she's doing to me, and which I really I didn't appreciate in front of her, but I really enjoy myself at the same time, or when I'm driving, I'm thinking why Rise I didn't do anything to her, why she react or why she has done to me like this.
Mm,
This is the
yeah.
this is the
This is,
thing
yes,
actually
yes,
is
absolutely.
impacting them.
My parents have come this time, my parents, and they, after a long time, they are seeing Ridan. And my parents are saying कि आप बत्ती खोज के भी ढूंढो ना तो ऐसा बच्चा नहीं मिलेगा. Because we are so used to with seeing Ridan, and like my parents, इतना अच्छा बच्चा कैसे, touch wood, and whatever, I just, what I'm saying is that, if others also, that, he's such a sensible child, itna wise bachcha hai, age se bhi, he can understand others pain, and I was telling somebody that, one day actually I was, I was trying to, somebody has an, has a difficult child, and I was trying to prepare Ridan कि तुम कभी भी ना उसको, वो आएगा, वो अगर बहुत वो करेगा तो तुम ज्यादा परेशान मत होना. Okay. And it's a very nice child, but sometimes, होता है ना कि वो थोड़ा चंचल है and everything. तो मैं उसको प्रिपेयर कर रही थी कि पापा, तुमको हमेशा प्यार से बात करना है. उल्टा उसने मुझे बोल दिया कि मम्मा ऐसा क्यों बोलती है, वो तो कितना अच्छा बच्चा है, टाइप्स. यू नो सो दिस इज व्हाट, द कंपैशन दैट ही हैज. आई डोंट हैव टू टीच, आई वाज ट्राइंग टू टीच द कंपैशन टू हिम कि बाबा ट्राई टू बी नाइस टू द चाइल्ड. ही एक्चुअली स्कोल्डेड मी कि वो ऑलरेडी नाइस है, क्यों आप बोल रहे हो ऐसे. So this is what, what I'm saying is that Work on yourself. You will see and also another thing that I say is that don't try to put your child in so many things, okay? If it is coming out of her passion, that is good. I've always told everybody before as well. उसका कुछ पैशन से उसको कुछ करना है तो उसको करने दो. उसको गाना गाना है, उसको नाचना है, बैडमिंटन सीखना है, कुछ भी करना है, उसका हार्ट से अगर आ रहा है वो करने दो. आप करवाना चाहते हो करके डोंट डू दैट. इट्स अ बिग हार्म टू द चाइल्ड. ओके. There was a story of a person of a 80-year-old went to my mentor Dr. Newton, very depressed man. And he was very depressed and 80-year-old but IS officer, kuch aisa kuch tha, big officer, something big. And he went to the officer and um, he when he went into deep this therapy, this there were courses, and he went and realized his childhood trauma of his father. He loved to paint, and his father said, "Isse koi paisa nahi aayega. You have to study. You have to study." And that's why he had to let go of his paint and he had to study. He earned a lot of money in his life, but he earned depression also in his life. Okay? So friends, अगर मेरे यहाँ पे हो ना, कुछ दिनों में आप देखोगे पैसा कमाना इतना टफ चीज नहीं है. इतना मारपीट नहीं करना पड़ता है. अगर आप अच्छे से पैसे का साइंस समझ जाते हो, इतना मारपीट नहीं करना पड़ता है. तो इस वजह से अपने बच्चे को डोंट यूज इट एज योर, मेरा सपना नहीं पूरा हुआ है तो मेरे थ्रो मेरा जो सपना है वो मेरा बच्चा पूरा करेगा. डोंट डू दैट. इट इज गोइंग टू हार्म दैट. ओके. मेक श्योर. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं रिदान को पूछती हूँ कि पापा फुटबॉल अच्छा, बीच में क्या हुआ कि वो बहुत टीवी देखने लगा, लेकिन अदरवाइज आई कीप आस्किंग कि फुटबॉल तुमको अच्छा लगता है, खेलना चाहते हो, दिल से बोलो तुमको अच्छा लगता है. लगता है तो मैं डालूंगी. बाद में देन अगेन यू हैव टू हैव अ बैलेंस आल्सो. आई सॉ दैट ही इज वाचिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टीवी. आई सेड नो, देन यू प्ले फुटबॉल ओनली. बाहर रहो थोड़ा, फुटबॉल खेल लो. म्यूजिक अच्छा लगता है उसको, मैं पूछती हूँ तुमको अच्छा लगता है, तुम करना चाहते हो. फिर मैंने उसको पूछा तुमको गाना गाना अच्छा लगता है. बोला नहीं मम्मा, वॉइस भी चेंज हो रहा है, पेरेंट्स भी बोल रहे हैं. तो वो ही लर्न्स पियानो समवेयर एंड ही इज लर्निंग जस्ट एज अ पैशन. और उसके बाद घर आके कुछ नहीं करते. ठीक है, नहीं करो तो नहीं करो, उसको नहीं करना है थोड़ा बहुत. बट थोड़ा मैं बोलती हूँ बिकॉज अ चाइल्ड व्हेन दे आर डूइंग सिंगिंग एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ चाइल्ड कि स्पोर्ट्स और सिंगिंग अगर एक बच्चे के जीवन में होना बहुत ज्यादा जो सप्रेस्ड, इसलिए बोलते हैं कि बच्चे को डाल दो किसी स्पोर्ट्स या म्यूजिक में, बट डालो कि जिसमें उसको इंटरेस्ट हो, फोर्सफुली नहीं. बट स्पोर्ट्स और म्यूजिक ये दो चीज है जहाँ पे बच्चे का बहुत ज्यादा सप्रेस, स्पेशली टीनेज के टाइम में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इमोशंस होते हैं, वो इसके थ्रू निकल जाएगा. क्रिएटिविटी के थ्रू ना बहुत एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं ना बच्चे इस उम्र में, तो निकल जाता है. ओके. सो यस राजीव.
Yes, Didi. And just to add something, I also appreciate a lot if I see any good behavior in her. I appreciate it right away and say it again and again. So, and that's when I get to see the behavior again. So, instead of doing
Yeah,
more, you
see,
get more out of it. So,
yes, absolutely. So, I keep telling Ridan sometimes that Ridan, I'm so blessed to have you in my life. मैंने क्या पुण्य किए थे जो मुझे तुम मिले. कभी कभी मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा बोलती हूँ. But this is how we have a tendency of only criticizing बच्चा. The more you appreciate some good things about them, you'll see that thing grows. सो ट्रू, इट्स सो ट्रू. किस बच्चा नहीं, हस्बैंड में भी हम लोग अगर हस्बैंड को सिर्फ तुम ये नहीं करते हो, वो नहीं करते हो, ये नहीं करते हो, या फिर हस्बैंड अपने बीवी को बोलते ये नहीं, लेकिन अगर बोलो कि तुम ये करते हो, ये करते हो, ये करते हो, तुम कितना व्हेन पन्ना केम बैक दिस टाइम आई सेड आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड टू हैव यू इन माय लाइफ. जब तुम नहीं थे तब मुझे समझ में आया कि तुम्हारा रहना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है इस घर में. सो इट्स समटाइम्स इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू एक्सप्रेस. हमको लगता है कि यार समझ जाएगा, हस्बैंड है, वाइफ है, समझ जाएगा. नो, इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू एक्सप्रेस व्हाट वी अप्रिशिएट अबाउट अदर्स. Okay, so thank you, friends. So today, friends, I'm so sorry we had a long discussion, but